Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the Excel's powerful functionalities. Today we have an exciting topic to explore, the SUMIF formula and its application. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this formula will undoubtedly become an essential part of your Excel's toolkit. So let's get started and uncover the magic of SUMIF.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
In this video, we will be learning some if formula in a step-by-step method. So do not skip this video and watch it till end. Let's first develop a brief know-how about sum if formula. In a nutshell, SUMIF allows you to sum values in a range that meet specific criteria. This formula is incredibly versatile and can help you analyze and summarize data effortlessly. So let's roll up our sleeves and unlock the potential of SUMIF. If we look into the syntax of the SUMIF formula, it is relatively a straightforward formula that consists of three main things. The first thing is range, second criteria, and third is sum range. So let's break it down with an example. This is an example in which various furniture items year-wise sale is given. But you can see that the furniture items are repeating again and again in the list. So if we want to compute the item-wise sales summary for 2019, 20, 21 and 22, we will apply this formula. So for example, I want to calculate the total number of chairs sold in 2019. So here I have to write equal and then sum if bracket start. First I have to give the range. So the range are the numbers of items, then comma. After this I have to give it the criteria. The criteria is the chair in the I5 cell. Then I have to give it the sum range. So sum range in 2019 year. Then I have to close this bracket and press enter to calculate the total number of chairs. Now if I want to find out the total number of table, so I will replace here with the table and you can see that the total number of tables are shown over here. So you can change the item over here and you can see the result in front of it. Similarly, we can calculate the sale in 2020, 21 and 22. Now we will calculate the total numbers of other furniture items sold. So we will write table, chair and then put our cursor on the bottom right corner of the first calculation and double click it. And same is the done for the other years. After doing this, we are just going to put some formatting over here. We will increase its font size, make it bold, and for clear visualization, change its font color. Congratulations, you have just unlocked the secret of SUMIF formula and witnessed its incredible examples. By learning this, you can analyze and summarize your data based on specific criteria. If you are managing a business or organizing personal finances or conducting research, SUMIF will undoubtedly become your go-to tool. So go ahead, experiment and let the power of SUMIF elevate your Excel skills to the new height. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy excelling.